Welcome to English in a Minute. Fishing is a favorite American activity. So what do you think this American English idiom might mean?
Fishing for compliments.
I got my hair cut last night, but I'm not sure how it looks. I feel like it's too short.
Please, you look great. But that's nothing new. Stop fishing for compliments, because you know your hair always looks fantastic.
A compliment is something good you say about a person or a thing. Fishing for compliments means you are looking for someone to say good things about you or something you have done. This phrase is used between friends, but sometimes people say it in a mean way about someone. And that's English in a Minute.